it's me again, Hazelheart P. Quinto. So for today's video, I will share to you what I have learned in Module 6, Wiring a Web for Global Good by Gordon Brown. So we'll tackle about the global issues that have emerged due to miscommunication. Communication is essential in our daily lives. It is the thread that binds us all together. This fact would result in many conflicts if this element was absent. Miscommunication has resulted in several global challenges such as war, corruption, discrimination, slavery, racism, poverty. The global concerns are similar in that they are all dangers to global security. It is a difficult task for us to develop a truly global society, one free of all sorts of injustice. To accomplish this, we must make use of our global ability to communicate and organize in response to the difficulties we now and shall encounter. Regardless of our culture, there should be invisible threads that bind and unite us as one society fighting against many types of injustice. Take for example the various dangers to global security and human rights issues that the Philippines cannot tackle on its own. We won't be able to fix these issues until we collaborate. We must establish a strong link and partnership between the richest and the poorest countries, ensuring that growth is shared and based on the idea that the globe is indivisible. So next, how technology helps solve the global problems or issues. The numerous options afforded by new technology are mostly employed to assist in the resolution of challenges that an organization or consumer is experiencing, such as streamlining procedures, boosting efficiency, improving customer experience, and eventually raising income. However, the same technology can be used to address a wide range of societal issues, from healthcare to environmental sustainability, and technology leaders can play a key role in driving change via innovative thinking and collaboration. Here are a few examples of how technology is assisting in the resolution of important global issues. First, education. Smart classroom technology is shattering old classroom barriers and providing new options for students and teachers. Many students, particularly those in rural locations, might benefit from advances in cloud, video conferencing, and wireless technologies, which can provide access to classes, subjects, and teachers they might not otherwise have had access to. Those who are unable to enroll in school or universities can take advantage of free online courses or even self-teach using sites like Wikipedia and YouTube. Virtual reality technology will be vital as a teaching tool for people displaced by automation, as well as for areas like medicine and engineering, where programs replicating real-life scenarios can provide valuable hands-on experience. Second, poverty. Technology can help to alleviate poverty by producing more jobs and expanding the market for folks in underdeveloped countries. Access to the internet paired with digital knowledge can provide greater chances for people to sustain themselves financially. And then we have changes in climate or climate change. From smart lighting to non-polluting air, cooling and heating, smart city, and Internet of Things or IoT technology can help to create more efficient buildings and streets, and as well as systems. Sensor-connected application can monitor and improve water usage, electricity. Sensors have been installed throughout in Barcelona to monitor the city's noise, rain, and air quality, as well as a smart irrigation system to combat drought and promote water conservation. Currently, transportation accounts for about 23% of worldwide energy-related emissions. As more efficient batteries and battery charging technology become available, electric cars provide a viable answer to this problem. To alleviate congestion and pollution, sensors implanted in highways can monitor parking and traffic movement. And then we have healthcare. Predominantly paper-based business will shift to more efficient electronic medical records as hospital and other healthcare institutions become more digital, allowing doctors to access records and interact with patients and colleagues from any location. In order to provide better collaborative care, EMRS will improve the patient experience and lower hospital expenses and lead to better care all across the world. Again, global ethic is referred to a set of common moral values and ethical standards which are shared by the different faiths and cultures on earth. These common moral values and ethical standards constitute a human ethic or the ethic of humanity. So that would be all for today's video. Thank you for listening.